This is a difficult challenge for Black. At this point in this section, the difficulties of the problem really vary. Some problems are simple and some problems like this one are pretty difficult. So what's going on here is that White is threatening to cut off Black like this. Now obviously Black does not have enough ice space to live. If White can play at number 2 and cut off these 2 black stones. But if Black connects here, White can connect back. And now there's nothing for Black to play, and Black will have 0 eyes. Not even a fake eye, this way. Therefore, Black must find a move that protects both this cutting point and prevents White from connecting. You might think this move, but White can play here. And if Black connects, White can cut. If Black connects here, White can cut and connect back. If Black plays a number 3 here, White can cut, and this will not be a ko. This will be a connect and die for Black, and Black will fail this way. So number 1 here doesn't work, and it shouldn't be too hard to find the first move at the 2-2 point. If you know the goal is to prevent this cut by White and to cut off White at the same time. So if White plays this, Black can cut off White, and the ice space is plenty for Black to make a living shape. So White will not be able to succeed this way. And obviously, White cannot cut now because White will be captured this way. So White's strongest response is this move. And Black will have to play this, otherwise White will connect back at number 3. White still cannot cut, and if White plays on the outside, this will be easy for Black. Black will be able to capture these 4 white stones on the inside, and that's plenty of ice space to make a living shape. The trickiest move is this one. Now Black needs to be really careful. If Black plays this move, then White can play this, threatening to make 2 real eyes. So Black must stand down here, but now White can cut Black, and Black cannot capture White because these will become throw-ins. So Black will fail this way. If Black plays here, now White can play this move, forcing Black to stand down here, and this will be a ko. And that's not the optimal results for Black. So after White's number 4, Black needs to play right here. If White connects on the outside, Black can cut. If White connects now, Black can play this move to prevent White from connecting. White still cannot connect. White is very short on liberties. So the best White can do is to capture these 2 black stones. But this way, Black will be able to win this race to capture against White's corner very easily. Black has 4 liberties left on the outside, and White only has 2. So 1, 3, and 5 will guarantee Black's success here. Of course, there are many other variations that you can try on your own. If you run into any problems, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.